Hello, CBSE 10th Standard NCERT Syllabus students. Welcome to my video on multiple choice questions from the Mathematics chapter Quadratic Equations. So the first question is general form of a quadratic equation is which one you will be selecting this? So the option A is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a, comma b and c are always any natural numbers. Option B, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a, comma b and c are any real numbers and a not equal to 0. Option C, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a, comma b and c are always any rational numbers and a equal to 0. Sorry, a not equal to 0. Option D, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a, comma b and c are always any whole numbers and a not equal to 0. So which one is your right answer? Okay, those who have given the answer B, okay, it's right. Those who have selected other than B, they are wrong. So the explanation is given here. Why option A is wrong? Why option C is wrong? Why option B is wrong? Okay, why option A is wrong? Why option C is wrong? Why option D is wrong? It is given here. You can pause this video and go through that. If you have any doubt, if you are finding it difficult to understand it, please put it in the comment section and I will be able to explain to you. Okay, right. Question number 2. Which are quadratic equations? A 32x cubed by x minus 22x plus 77 equal to 0. B 27x minus 32x square plus 23 plus 64 by 2 x square equal to 0. And C, equation C is 27x minus 32x square plus 23 minus 64 by 2 x square equal to 0. And final equation is 55x square plus 23x plus 64 equal to 0. And think and give the right answer by pausing this video. And if you have selected the answer 4, that is equation A, comma C and D are quadratic equations. If you have selected other than 4, it's wrong. The explanation is given here. The same way you can just pause this and find the answer. Okay, and the explanations very clearly it is given. So these two questions are used to explain this quadratic equation is in the general form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is non-zero constant and b is constant, c is also constant, right? And third one is also with respect to the same quadratic equation in the general form a square plus bx plus c equal to 0, which are not quadratic equations. Question number 2 was which are quadratic equations. Now which are not quadratic equations? So you have A, equation B, equation C, equation D. So please pause this video and try to answer this. Now I'm going to give you the answer. The answer is A and B only. So equation A is 32x cubed by x square minus 22x plus 77 equal to 0. This is not a quadratic equation because when you simplify this term, you will be getting 32x. So you will be left with only x term, not x square term will be there. No x square term will be there. So this equation is not a quadratic equation. And next B, 27x minus 32x square plus 23 plus 64 by 2x square. So this x square term is having minus 32. This x square term, when you simplify, you will be getting 32. So that minus 32 plus 32 becomes 0. So x square term is being eliminated here. So this B is not a quadratic equation. So why other two equations are quadratic equations? The explanation is given as usual here. You can go through this, pause the video, learn this, and ready to go to question number 4. Then you can just run the video and see this. The picture is quite interesting, isn't it? So the boat is going at a high speed. Have you ever traveled in a boat? Have you ever traveled to this helicopter? Okay. So if you have done any of this or none of this, don't worry. We are just going to Answer this multiple choice question number 4. The speed of a boat in miles per hour is 3 less than double time that of helicopter. The product of speed of both of them equal to 30. Mathematical representation of the situation is double time that of helicopter. That means if you assume that the helicopter speed is x and the speed of the boat will be, it is double times helicopter speed. Okay, 2x and less than 3 less than double times means it is 2x minus 3, and the product of this x, helicopter speed is x and the speed of the boat is 2x minus 3. So when you multiply them, you get the product and the answer is 30 for that. With this, you can form the mathematical representation or find the equation to find out what is the helicopter speed, which is x. So these are the options 1, 2, 3, 4. Please pause this video and try to give the answer. And if you have selected the answer as 2, then you are right. Why the other answers, option 1, 3 and 4 are wrong, you can just find out the step-by-step answers explained here. And if you pause this and then learn the step-by-step, okay, everything is given. The final answer is 2x square minus 3x minus 30 equal to 0 will represent this okay, mathematical way of this situation. That is, helicopter speed is considered as x, then the solution for this 2x square minus 3x minus 30 equal to 0 will give the speed of the helicopter, and then you can arrive the speed of the boat using the equations. Right. In the same way, please pause this, try to learn this question number 5 and then learn this, and you will be able to learn through this. So these are the two water tank, water bucket is being filled with the tap, and then oil tank is being filled with another pipe. So the relationship between these two to find, okay, a mathematical equation to represent this situation. Okay, and if you have selected the answer as number 1, then you are right. Why other 2, 3 and 4 are wrong? This step by step, if you have if you are able to find the answer going step by step, then it is fine. Or if you are not able to understand, please put it in the comment section. I will get back to you at the right time possible. Okay. So more interestingly, we have learned quadratic equation in the general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. With respect to that, what are the questions we have answered? And this interesting concept of speed of the boat and speed of the helicopter, what is the relationship? And speed of this time taken to fill the water bucket and time taken to fill the oil tank. These two relationships also discussed in this. Okay, so please go through this video, and if you have any doubt, please put it in the comment section. I will get back to you with the right answer at the earliest possible. Okay, if you have done all the questions, congratulations. If not, please practice this and make it possible. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye. Your Prabhakar Srinivasagam from the YouTube channel Max by DPAB. I am repeating, my YouTube channel is Max by DPAB. Take care. Bye.